Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing 2 wig reviews. I haven't done this in a while, so if you want this look in any color of your choice, then stay tuned. So this is the Sensational Cloud 9 What Lace wig in the model ANISHA. And I got Balayage Mocha and the number 2 because I just wanted, something colorful, but I also wanted to get me something natural just in case. Just in case. So this wig comes pre-customized in a variety of colors, which I love because I am not your average wig wearer. I do not plug lace anymore. I barely cut baby hairs. I got rid of a lot of makeup, so I don't even put like makeup on the hairline that much. So I need my wig to be as ready for me as possible as soon as it comes out of the pack. Oop, don't do too much on my braids. I put them in a few days ago, so they're looking a little Jim Jonesy. But let's focus. Let's focus. So I thought I wanted to start with the mocha colored wig, but after putting it on, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna save the best for last. I'm gonna save this for when I go out with my husband. I'm gonna just do the number 2 for right now. I'm gonna do number 2 for right now because it's a chill day. So this wig comes with 3 combs in total, 2 at the temple, 1 in the nape of your neck, and it also has a strap inside, which I think is really cool because back when I was wearing wigs heavy, I had to sew my own strap inside. But I actually don't need to use this one this time. I really could cut it out because I think this is more for like a bigger head. The strap just seems really loose for me, so I might get rid of that. So right now, I'm just feeling the wig out, seeing how I like Miss Anisha, because I really want to cut my own hair into a bob, but I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know why, because let's be honest, I look good in everything. That's just the truth. Everybody was thinking it. I'm just saying it. I'm just kidding, but yeah, I do want to cut my hair into a bob. One day I want locks again. One day I want to shave my head completely. I don't know. The safest thing for me to do right now is to play with some wigs. So because I have zero plans of wearing this wig to bed over the next couple days, I'm really just doing like a quick install. So I'm putting like one layer of Got2b glue, and then whatever doesn't lay down from there, I'm gonna go in with my Ebon lace bond and just spray that on whatever is lifted up. And y'all, please do not forget to hold me accountable when I'm using the word like. It is nothing but a filler. I am trying to get that word out of my vocabulary. I'm really trying to be on some 30 and flirty and thriving. That's really about to be my motto for the next decade. I have a journal coming in the mail, so I'm ready to jot some things down. I'm ready to be stress free. I'm ready to really just get in my zen and just be sexy for the next 10 to 20 years. Seriously. Okay, so I had to do my baby hairs off camera. Like, it was not working out. It really didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but that's okay. So I'm using just a little concealer in the color Toffee. It's Old Faithful. It never let me down before. I don't even know if this is my color anymore. Like, oh, I just said it again. See, I just said it again. But I caught myself, and that's all that matters. As I was saying, I'm trying to make this look as natural as possible so won't nobody talk about me. But I really don't care. Like, the face is gonna eat every time, and that's all that matters. Okay, so while I play in this hair, I'm going to get to the nitty gritty of this review. I want to do this in the perspective of a beginner's friendly kind of thing because technically I'm starting over. I threw all of those old wigs away. I haven't worn them. It's been like over 2 years now. So I would rate this wig a 10 out of 10. The lace is beautiful. It will probably look even better if I put a cap on it. I love the length of the hair. It's super sexy, super flirty. It comes with baby hairs already, but I need to cut mine like a little bit shorter. But that's really about it. And I am so sorry if my audio has not been the best in the past couple voiceovers. It's just because the only time I have to record these is when my baby is asleep and I have to be quiet. I'm sorry. Would you believe me if I tell you that this day I went to do laundry looking like this? That's what it's like to live and breathe around me. That's what I be doing. And I'm convinced that like brown hair, any shade of brown or blonde is my color. Like I feel like it brings out my skin, it brings out my eyes. I just love it. Neither one of these wigs gave me any shedding problems. The hair is flowy and bouncy. I'll be leaving the links to both wigs in the description box below. I hope you guys stayed to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.